my blood, can't get enough. Y'all trying to fix what makes me tick. Fuck your attempts to make me fit your little box. I'm gonna rip. You wanna tame me, try to frame me, bitch up the wall to be composed. They can't unplug what they can't control. I'm in your system, take control. Watch me corrupt every single role. Let it burn, let it burn. They can't unplug me at all. Sick of your shit, you're diagnosed, your perfect fit, your overdose. Can't process me, I'm breaking free. Your medicine won't let me be. You try to chain me, try to drain me, but I survive inside the dive. They can't debunk what they can't control. I'm in your system, I take it all. Watch me corrupt every single role. Let it burn, let it burn. They can't debug me at all. Fuck your system, fuck your rules. I'm the virus you can't remove. Yeah, can't fix me, won't fix me, shouldn't fix me, don't fix me. They can't debug what they can't control. I'm in your system, take it all. Watch me corrupt every single role. Let it burn, let it burn. They can't debug me at all. System failure complete. Guess it's just